How to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. In this tutorial, I will show you how to permanently delete Instagram chat from both sides. The first step is to open or launch the Instagram mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app, just like you can see here. After that, make sure you tap on the Direct Messages option. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on the Direct Messages section of Instagram. Here, you will see chats. From them, choose you would like to delete from both sides. For purpose of the tutorial, I will send some messages and then later show you how to delete them from both sides. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us. What you have to do now is to long press on the chats you would like to delete from both sides. After long pressing them, a menu with options will appear. From the menu, there are several other options. From those options, make sure you select this one here named Unsend. This pop-up appears where Instagram is telling us to try editing instead. You can edit messages for up to 15 minutes instead of unsending them to fix any typos. But since we aim to not edit a message, we will proceed and confirm our action of deleting the messages by tapping this one here named Unsend. The chat will then be deleted from both sides. The process is that simple. If this option is missing on your Instagram account or not working for you, then I will show you how you can solve this issue. Come to the Profile section of your Instagram account. From there, make sure you tap on the menu of your account. The menu is this option here at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Settings and Activity page of Instagram. Here, there are options and sections that you can use to navigate to different sections of your account. From them, scroll down, continue scrolling down until you reach here. After that, make sure you tap this option here named Help. This is the Help page of Instagram. On this page, there are options that you can use to find solutions to issues you face on the app. From there, tap this one here named Report a Problem. This other menu will appear. On the menu, tap this option here named Report Without Shaking. You will then land here where you will see this page with information asking you to confirm if you want to include logs when sending the feedback. So the choice is yours. I will choose the second option. Finally, you will land on here where you are supposed to write feedback explaining to the Instagram support team to the issue you are facing and ask them to fix it. Make sure you explain to them clearly. Also, you can copy what I have typed here. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently.